Hello, is there anyone living in there? I don't know about this. Something in my eye too, man. Weird. What's up, everybody? It's D Mason, and I'm here at the Irie Place, man. I'm excited because this will be our very first video. This is the introduction to our channel. And for those of you that don't know the Irie Place, we help artists and small businesses develop their brands. And this channel will be centered around just that, branding content, informative information. I told you I had it for you. I told you I was coming. Marketing, copyrights, performance rights organizations, setting up your BMI, your ASCAPs, your split sheets, song splits, running social media ads, producer tips, engineering tips, songwriting tips for all my songwriters and artists out there, forming teams as an artist, music industry roles, music industry roles, moving through the industry, and yeah, man, just branding content, man. Spoken word, industry talk. Hey, and y'all make up the rest. It's gonna be the first of many. I'm excited. I know it's gonna be a hell of a journey. So, I'm excited. Go ahead and like the video, comment below, and let us know. Like what else y'all want to discuss, what else y'all want to talk about, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it, man. Definitely. So, go ahead and comment, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram too, and Facebook. And we are only at the Irie Place, man. Holla at your boy.